Hi guys, good morning. This is Vasilis Girasis for Trader24-Market, and I'll be looking to provide some insight into the South African market. Being a predominantly resource-based counter, we will be looking mainly at metals, at the shares that are affiliated to those metals, and obviously the South African Rand, the ZAR, which has an important role to play as a Rand hedge for a couple of our dual-listed heavyweights. The FTSE being an important market for us, the JSE has a very close correlation with the FTSE. A number of our heavyweights are dual listed on the FTSE, so it is a market that is very important to us. It is one that we follow very closely, and in future webcasts we will be looking to provide some technical analysis on the FTSE as well, the correlation between the two markets, and hopefully how to profit from these trades. On that note, if we just wrap up a little bit now on the South African market, yesterday our JSE closed firmer, lifted mainly by a gold rally on the back of a weaker rand. We saw that our gold stocks gained about 4.2% yesterday. Our resources were pretty flat. Platinum counters lost about 0.4%. The weaker rand, like I said, having a material effect on our gold stocks. We saw it break the 8 Rand 50 level a couple of days ago. Quite a big level there, opened up the door for more weakening, for further weakening to about 8 Rand 60. I did see the currency trade to about 8.57, 8.58 during the day, eventually closing at about 8 Rand 55 at the end of business. But for the month of May, if we just look overall for the month of May, our overall index down about 3.6%. Our gold stocks lost 15%. Our platinum counters lost about 12%, and our resources were down about 7% overall. Going forward into the month of June, I think our market will take its cue from Europe, especially the euro dollar, and I think Greek elections are to be held on the 17th of June, so until that dust settles and until we have a firm result, I think there's still a lot of volatility going forward, and I think we're seeing this panic and this fear in the market. Again, with our rand weakening as much as it has, I think it's on the back of what seems to be a little bit of panic selling at the moment. So until we see some kind of dust settling in the Eurozone, I think we're going to probably have a little bit more volatility, and we'll just have to wait and see how this whole story with Spain plays out going forward as well. Looking forward into today's trade, I think we're going to be expecting a relatively quiet day. NFP numbers coming out later. They come out late afternoon our time, so I don't expect much action on the market today. If the numbers are good, we could see some bargain hunting coming in and we see a bit of a bounce. If the numbers are worse than expected, obviously the markets will move down further, but my view is that a couple of counters and stocks are looking a little bit overdone at the moment, so we could see some buying, some bargain hunting coming in either way. And I think then from Monday, moving into a new month, the selling may go away, hopefully has now put behind us, and we can start seeing some support coming to these markets going forward for the month of June. Let's see how that plays out. But again, guys, stay tuned. We will be providing some more technical analysis and more detailed technical analysis going forward. So until then, this is Vasilis Girasis again for Trader24-Market, and we'll chat soon. Take care.